next question to you. Yeah, how to remove our hesitations and everything. Do you know one thing? I have a confidence. I have a knowledge. I have a knowledge, but I don't have confidence to show our knowledge. So what are the things we are facing that to remove that things?
Okay, so in
How?
my side, to be honest, depend on person to person. First
Yeah,
of all, set your goal. What you want to. Why I am saying this kind of, you know, because you don't have any goal. So how to overcome your situation? Because
yeah,
you have any goal, so obviously you explore your, goals. And you don't have any goal, so obviously you are sitting only comfort zone. Because we are a human nature. We are a we are stick our only comfort zone. We don't want to remove our comfort zone. Why? Because while we are sitting in comfort zone, so that time we feel very motivated. We feel very relaxed. And while we go for come out from comfort zone, so that times we feel hesitation, nervousness because we don't
yeah,
want to face this kind of issue. You know
yeah,
so why I am saying, first of all, stick your goal and set your goal because you have particular goal. So that times, you little remove your comfort zone. And
yeah. You are saying absolutely right. Do you know one thing? I saw so many people. They have a goal. They have a dream, but they are not focusing on goal and not focusing on dream. So why that reason? Do you know?
yes, yes, obviously I know just because procrastination. You know what is the meaning of procrastination?
No, I don't know.
टाल मटोल करना.
Yo, oh, that's meaning. Yeah, I
Yes.
saw so many people. If he has yes he has the goal, but they are not able to do anything. So yeah, I have a dream. I want to do these things, but I saw you have a goal, you have a dream, you want to become that person, but you are not doing this anything in your life that you want. So how will you achieve your goal? They said that let me see what will happen in future, like that. So
Yeah.
my next question to you, how to what are the things the comfort zone we can remove that things? What are the comfort zone we are the facing nowadays? Not me and lots of people they are the facing the problem.
Okay, so if you talk about comfort zone, I already told you, So first of all, you set your goal and improve your goal. So definitely what you want to achieve. And why may you have any diary. So that times, we hold a engage. And and again, sometimes what happen, we hold a busy. So that times we don't have time. So first of all, at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depend on your leisure time. So first of all, give to you, and that times you are thinking like what I am lacking. So that times you read your all the things and write your all the things what I am lacking. So
Yeah.
that times you set a goal like this is the my weak point. This is my weak point. So first of all, you improve your weak point. That times you
Okay.
feel very hesitated. Why? Because starting no anyone wants to like remove our comfort zone. Because while we are remove our comfort zone, so that times we feel very hesitate. And
Yeah,
even
yeah,
we don't want to because we are habitual our comfort zone, so that's why we don't want to come out from comfort zone. So first of all, little why people every motivational speaker, and I'm motivational
uh,
speaker.
okay,
So
okay,
I'm also
very good.
like saying every people, first of
Hmm.
all you set your goal, and then
Hmm.
another thing what you are lacking, so you understand and give at least 10 to 5 minutes every day to you.
Hmm. To
And you
yourself.
that, yeah, give yourself. So that times you think only you. That times you not engage in social media and not engage in your parents and even family, even phone also. That times you only give only you. So
Okay.
understand easily what you wants to. Why
Okay.
people these kind of issue nowadays, just because we are addicted to phone. So that's why
Yeah,
we
phone.
feel
I saw so many
hesitation.
people also. They are addicted to the phone. Yeah, they addicted to some other things also. So my next question to you, in this age, we should really connect emotionally with any person or not, because this is very golden age. But I saw so many people, so not a student in this age, after 18, after 20, they are the connecting someone emotionally. After that, they facing like that. She is my everything. Yeah, he is my everything. So what do you think? In this age, we should connect emotionally with anyone. Yeah, just as a normal we connect.
Really, in my side, in this question, I say politely, this is not a connecting. It's not a emotional. It's a just addiction. It's a just
Yeah,
addiction. Why? Because every person, like, again and again, again and again. Like, suppose I will give one example. Any kind of partner, like, you know, one couple. So both are
mm,
talking every day. So
yeah, yeah,
obviously, they attached. So sometimes
yeah,
what happens, family they doesn't support. So that times, we feel like emotional. Why?
yeah,
Because we are habitual every day talking. Like we are, sometimes I will give one example related to, like, sometimes, like fasting. We eat every day meal. Every day we eat meal. And like
okay,
one day and someday like Mahasivratri and any kind of festival. So that day we do fasting. Okay. So
yeah,
that day we haven't eat any kind of meal. So that day we
yeah,
feel weak also. Why they feel weak also? Just because we are habitual to eat meal. Got it?
yeah. You are
So that's
absolutely
the
right.
reason.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's the
That's
reason.
why I'm
It's
asking
not
to you.
a emotional attachment, it's just addiction. Got it?
Mm, yeah. So how to come over that things?
Okay, so how to come out? So
Come
I
out that
already
things.
said to you,
If someone addicted that things.
Okay. So I have another this question to answer also. So how to come out. So depend on
Mm,
person to person. You know
yeah,
what you want to. First of all, he's a very good person, and you really want to marry his person and her person. So first of all, discuss all the family, and all like related to he is a good family, and he living is around it's good and bad. So first of all, we are a very mature, not a small child. We are a very
yeah,
mature.
yeah.
So first, you know, you ask like what kind of background you are in.
So this is a real solution. No, I said how to come over that situation. If you are giving
I,
the you are giving the answer like that. You should ask the questions, and after that you will get married. That word. This is
yeah,
not solution.
okay. So it's my solution. So first of all, why you addicted
Uh,
someone? Why? Just because you don't want to alone. So that's why you are addicted now. So depend
yeah,
on person to person. So first of all, you control yourself. कि why I addicted this person, that person. I know very well because like we are we'll give in simple example in Hindi. भगवान जी हमको अकेले भेजे हैं. Got it?
yeah, yeah.
अकेले ही
Got
जाएंगे
that.
ना कि किसी को साथ में लेके जाएंगे. Am I right?
हाँ वो बात तो सही है. Yeah, yeah, you are right.
But people they don't understand. Why?
But
Because
people,
just
not
because
all the people, they don't understand. They said, "What will see happen? Let will see what
yeah.
will happen." Yeah. So why
But
I'm asking to you, not
it's
me. In I saw so many students in this age, the people and the students are addicted for emotionally. Your language is addicted, but my language is emotionally connected with someone. Yeah, it's friend. Yeah, it's family. It's someone. I'm not saying that relations. Any relation, they are connected emotionally. So this is a good things. Yeah, it's bad things because in this age we have a golden time. If we not use in this age, definitely after 5 years, 10 years, my future will not like that same. Every day is not equal for me and not for equal for you. So what do you think? We should connect
okay.
that people emotionally. Yeah, as a normal, we should connect that people.
No, no, no. In my perspective, really, don't connect anyone because you.
This is how you think. Don't connect. I'm not saying that that relations, family relation also, friendship relation also.
Yes,
Like that, I'm
yes,
saying that it's
yes,
normal relation. It's okay. Don't connect with emotionally. Normal relations will not disturb to you.
yeah, normal
That things you can
relationship.
say. Don't that things that you can say. Don't say don't connect with him. That if my
Don't
family
connect.
members, I
You
don't want
connect.
to.
You know, you connect, but normal. Like
Yeah,
now we are talking like random. Okay, and
yeah,
then finish the call, and then I don't know we even connect. So these kind of
yeah,
like normal types. Like sometimes what happen, we have bestie. Sometimes we
yeah,
talk more and more. So don't habitual. Like sometimes like 1 week, 2 week, and sometimes 3 months and 2 months depend on you. So
yeah,
you
yeah,
talk, so it's okay. Don't addicted any kind of person because while you
yeah,
are addicted, that times emotionally, and that times you are emotionally connect, and sometimes what happen, they speech like unwanted. So that times we feel demotivated and we feel like we cry again and again just
yeah,
because we are connected. So that's why, in my perspective, don't connect anyone. You work only in yourself, and you are
yeah,
talking
yeah, yeah,
sometimes,
yeah, yeah,
sometimes.
yeah.
So
Absolutely, you are
yeah.
saying right. Absolutely. So, have you ever faced this type of problems? If someone like given you heart pain, and do you know one thing? If your family member beat you, yeah, beaten you, that pain is totally different. Am I right or not? Yeah, someone giving to you pain, that pain is totally different. So what do you think? That pain. So we should go that pain, yeah, that pain.
Really, to be honest, I am not addicted to anyone because I know who am I. Because I'm very,
Yeah, yeah,
free types girl. I don't want to, and I'm very forward types girl. And
yeah, yeah,
little I'm emotional also. So I know I don't want to addicted anyone, and these kind of thing in my side. Actually, really, to be honest, I don't have that much time to talk anyone. You know,
yeah,
just
yeah. That's
well, yeah,
you know one thing.
because
We
we have,
always think. We always
you
think,
know,
no, I will not do these things. This is wrong things. This is wrong things. I will not do these things. Not do. But then sometimes, do you know, sometimes motivational speaker also addicted something. Do you ever seen? But that thing is the people they don't know. Am I right or not?
yeah, every person, has good friend and good, any kind of special person. So
Yeah,
it's a depend on person to person and what kind of in your mentality you have. This is your
hmm,
perspective.
yeah, yeah. You're
Yeah.
absolutely right. That
So listen, actually, I have another work, so I have to go because we are talking. It's 15 to 10 minutes. It's okay, yeah. Okay.
yeah, that's. I'm not addicting to you. Don't think like that. That's okay. So I have to also we go to lunch. So have you had your lunch or not?
No, 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 I haven't.
Haven't. You have done breakfast?
Yes. So
Yeah,
if
I
you allow
have
me,
also.
so may I go?
Yeah, yeah, we will go. Okay. Okay, bye bye. Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
This is nice conversation with you. Thank you
yeah,
so much.
yeah.
Yeah,
Bye.
yeah. Bye bye.